Just want to pop the hood, find the latch, and just lift it up and out the way. Then we're going to go under the car, and we're going to remove this under tray. So all you're going to need to start is going to be a 13mm for the drain plug, a T25, and a T30. I like using an impact. Don't full torque it though. Just gently back the screws out. There's going to be a ton of them. There's this whole front lip here because you're trying to remove this under tray, and then each one of these dimples is going to also have, so each one of these dimples is going to have a screw that you have to remove as well, along with separating it from the front lip. And then you got to go all the way back there with it. So I'm going to set you guys down and then take this under tray off. Oil filter, oil drain plug. Super easy to remove, unless the previous people ugga-dugga the fuck out of them. They're super easy to remove. So, set you guys down again. And then this is a 13mm, and then this you should be able to just get off by hand. So to remove it, I always like to try to tighten it a little bit first and then move it away. So you're going to be pushing towards the back of the car when you go to remove the oil drain plug. Do not pull it forward. You will be tightening it on yourself. See if we can do this without making a mess. What are you looking? Okay. Then you're just gonna remove the filter, making sure to spill oil all over your hand again. And on your face. Safe to say these gloves are done. Get some oil from your jug. Just giving it a nice little wet down. It'll absorb most of this. And what you want to do too is you can take your finger and just rub some of that new oil over that rubber seal. So when you put it on, it doesn't stick. Just gonna go around, rub it down, and you'll see most of the oil inside here will get absorbed by all the filter panels and fins or pleats, whatever you want to call them. But then put the drain plug back in, hand tight to start. Then we're gonna grab our new filter. We're gonna take our new filter. Make sure we put it on the threads. You can always backspin it to make sure you're on the threads first, but should go on with this much effort. Literally, you should just be able to free spin it until you start to feel it to sit. I'm gonna clean my gloves off and get this out of the way. So we're just gonna wipe down any residual oil that we can see. Clean up the gloves nice and pretty. And then you just wanna get on this and just hand tight clean her up. Yeah, she's not going anywhere. Then we just need to get the wrench on this boy. And remember, now when you're tightening this bolt, you want to bring it towards yourself. So you're just going to go towards yourself and then a little quarter. And that's fully seated. Everything down here is nice, clean, and fresh. Now we just got to put the under tray back on. So from having drained the car, I got just about 5 quarts out of it. You know, that's a quart there. So we're just under 5 quarts. It's not bad. So we burnt half a quart in 5,000 miles. So this is what I use. I use Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy. Full synthetic OW30, and then the filter is K&N HP 1017. So we just changed the oil in the car, but we want to reset the scheduled maintenance. Same with the trip. So to reset the trip, all you're gonna do is find this button right here that says menu, and you're just gonna push and hold. And that'll reset your trip. So now that you have fresh oil in it, it'll track your trip from the fresh oil. But now we have to reset this, which is why we're gonna use multi-ECU scan.